Hello, your boy's back, man. Are we just talking about the 6 basic fears? We already spoke about part 1, part 2, part 3. We want to talk about part 4 today, okay? So we're gonna jump straight to part 4 and then talk about it. So part 4 is actually the fear of loss of love. You know what I mean? Now, when I say the fear of loss of love, it's just basically getting your heart broken. People don't like to get their heart broken because everyone is scared of broken hearts. And that is why we're living in a situation where it's either hookup culture going on. People just want to have fun, but not get committed because they're scared that if they get committed, they're going to get their heart broken. So people just turn to just have fun and just play around, play with people's emotions, play with people's feelings, and all of that. There's so many things actually going on when it comes to this type of fear, right? Because people trying to protect their hearts, people don't want to get their heart broken. We also have people actually doing too much just to get someone's attention, to realize that they care about them. And that's, the saying, nice guys finish last. This is because we have people overdoing too much, people becoming people pleasers, people doing so many things just to win someone's attention and get them to show that they care about them. People acting out of desperation, people acting out of so much anxiety and so much worry. People even getting jealous when they're with their girlfriends or their boyfriends. Start getting too overprotective, insecure, getting jealous that, hey, he's talking to someone else of the opposite sex or something, because they're scared of losing that love from that person. They're scared that that person might snatch the attention with something good that they have. So they start to get too overprotective, too over-controlling. Like, it's just a lot. I can't talk a lot when it comes to this, but if I was supposed to talk a lot when it comes to this actually cost, I can talk a lot about it. But there's so many things actually going on. The whole point is you gotta love yourself first. If you want others to love you, you gotta love yourself first. You gotta take care of yourself first. You gotta love who you are first. You gotta improve yourself as a person, and you're gonna attract the right people into your life. You're gonna attract the people that are meant for you to be with them in your life. And the fact that you're not even scared of losing love is actually more attractive than you acting all scared, acting all insecure, acting all jealous, acting all desperate, acting all overprotective. That shit don't work. Acting all people pleasers, bro. You don't need to be doing that. Like, when you start to be a people pleaser, people turn to take advantage of you. They see that, oh, whatever I need from you, they can get from you. So then they try to use you and manipulate you because you're trying to be a people pleaser, and you don't want to do that. So the best part is, hey, work on yourself, you know what I mean? Work and be in the best version of yourself. Focus on yourself. Put in the work and be the best version of yourself, you know what I mean? And then just, you actually, when you become a high value person, when you become a high value human being, you tend to attract the right people into your life, you know what I mean? So just focus on yourself, love yourself before you expect others to love you, man. Let's go. Ooh.